I learned to cook from my mommy. I guess I just used to watch her cooking all sorts of things and just kind of put my own twist on it. So yeah, I basically grew up helping her in the kitchen. Now, I run my own kitchen. Definitely more creative. I tend to do a lot of fusion items, so I like to blend the Jamaican flavors with other international cuisines. Because if you think about it, a wedding is kind of a fusion. Different people, different tastes, different cultural elements coming together to create something beautiful. I really like to celebrate that fusion with my cooking. I like to think of it as Jamaican with a twist. Isn't that a delicious idea? That's what I do.